ChatGPT, how to log in. Logging into your ChatGPT account or the app is very simple. You could simply launch the ChatGPT application and this is the interface that you will be able to see. What you have to do is you could go to chatgpt.com as well, that is totally your choice. But from there you have to locate the login button on app. I can find the login button from the top right hand side. There are many ways I can log in. I can log in using my Google account, or I can log in or sign up separately using my independent email address or phone number. So if you know your email address, make sure to enter them and tap the continue button and finish up with the changes. Otherwise, what you can do is you can also just tap on the continue with Google option that you can see here. If you've associated your Google account with your ChatGPT OpenAI account, you'll be able to successfully log into ChatGPT. And this way we can log into ChatGPT. As you can see. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.